Hi, welcome back to my channel Our Anxiety. Another day living with my anxiety. So if you are watching this video, that means you are going through the anxiety, and I believe you have met so many doctors. They told everything is normal, are going through the anxiety. Okay, so see, today let's talk about what if thoughts. Whenever we get a panic attack or anxiety attack or anxiety physical symptoms, every time one common thing which comes in our mind is what if, what if, what if, right? The same thing happens. It's very common with me also. It happens whenever the chest tightness happens. The thought comes saying that what if it's a heart attack, what if this time it is not anxiety, this time it's something else. Okay, what if doctor has missed something. Okay, like that, so many what if thought comes every time. And initially I was falling for that, thinking, okay, maybe, my thought is true. Maybe it is something else. What if doctor missed something? What if this time it is not anxiety? What if? Okay, but now I learned how to convert what if into even if. Okay, see, it is not easy, it is very hard to accept that what if thought into even if. That conversion is little bit difficult, but still we have to practice that on daily basis. Like you must be knowing about the CBT, right? The daily basis, how whatever the thought comes, anything, we have to just use the CBT techniques, and that's way only we have to practice this. The one small example is, say you are working and suddenly thought came saying that what if you die now, what if you get a heart attack now. Okay, such thought comes, so replace with the even if. Okay, say what if you get a heart attack. Okay, say even if I get a heart attack, it's okay, say that. Okay, and one more thing, accept the death, accept the worst in life. That's what I was doing wrong. I was thinking everything should be in one line. Okay, life should be like this always. I don't want to see that up and down. Okay, that was my mentality, but it's not truth, okay. Life has that graph. Okay, everyone's life has the graph, up and downs, and the birth and the death. It is uncertain and we don't know about that, and we have to accept that, saying that it's okay, even if I die, it's okay, accept the death. Until and unless we don't accept about this death, the fear of death, or fear of getting any diseases, fear of getting heart attack or anything, anything, accident, whatever, will not go from our mind. First thing, accept that, accept it. Okay, if I die, it's okay, I'm okay with that, because everyone has to die, right? So maybe it's my turn now. Say that in the mind and accept that thing. That fear first we have to remove from the mind. Then all this cardiophobia and agoraphobia, whatever phobia you have, that we can overcome. Okay, first thing, accept the truth. Accept the truth means things what is in our hand, and the things what is not in our hand. Maybe you can make that list and write it down, what you can control and what you can't control. Okay, that's how we have to put the affirmation. We have to learn that, we have to teach our nervous system what is the reality. Okay, that's it. I wanted to tell today. First accept it, and then you can replace this what if into even if. And we have to practice is more important. Okay, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I want to make our anxiety community. I want to help so many people. Please subscribe to my channel, and also share this channel to those people who is looking for a help, is going through the anxiety, and who has no idea what's going on with them because of this anxiety. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.